Hey guys, quick review today of this portable vacuum that I got here. Been using it now for a few months. Just wanted to give you guys a closer look at it in case you're interested. Come check it out.
Here's the vacuum up close. Just wanted to show you guys how it opens there, just like that. In case you want to change the filter, pop it off like that, unscrewing it. And these are the metal reusable filters. Comes with 3 of them overall in the package. Another nice feature of this is the little built-in flashlight. Never know when you'll need that. The vacuum comes with this brush extension as well. Really nice feature. As you heard there, the vacuum has an eco mode as well as a max mode, where it's basically just one is more powerful than the other, save on some battery life. This has been really great and convenient to have in my house. It's just a little vacuum to grab. You never know, crumbs and dust are everywhere. Highly recommended.